Hi, in last video, we have completed the applications of the UAVs and introduction to the UAVs. Okay. Now we will see the fundamentals of the UAVs. This topic is very important. So introduction to aircraft. Here we having a types of forces acting on an aircraft. Here mainly four type of forces acting on an aircraft. Okay, what are that forces? One is thrust, drag, lift and weight. Okay, what is a thrust? Thrust is a force which moves an aircraft through the air. Thrust is generated by the engine of the aircraft through some kind of propulsion system. This is called a thrust. Okay, what's the drag? The drag force that acts opposite the thrust, that causes the resistance against the motion. Okay, this is drag. And what is the lift? Lift, the necessary upward force for flight, keeps aircraft in the air. It is produced by wing. Already we have seen what is the lift. Okay, now come to weight. The weight, downward pulling force that is caused by gravity and always acts towards the center of gravity. Okay, these are the main four forces acting on an aircraft. See in this picture, here four forces. Here we can see one is lift, here acting upward. Okay, how we will get lift? By wings. Okay, weight, we know that weight will always act towards the ground, and thrust will forward. Okay, drag is in backward. Okay, how we will get thrust? By engine we will get the thrust. Here we're having different type of engines. Okay, one is propeller one is piston engine with propeller driven, and one more is turbojet engines, ramjet engines, scramjet engines. Okay, these are the engines we will use it for thrust. And what is the drag? Drag is a resistance force when your aircraft is in forward motion. Okay, on the time what will happen? You can see incoming air is in left to right. Okay, aircraft is in forward motion. Okay, because of this interaction of this aircraft to the this air, incoming air, here we will get a resistance force. This resistance force is a drag. Okay, so these are the mainly four forces acting on an aircraft. Okay, remember it. And we will see the some components of the aircraft. Okay, here we are having some components. Is one is a propeller, one is a engine. Okay, and fuselage, landing gear, and wing, right wing and left wing. Okay, these are the components, and some more components also is there. These are the nothing but control surfaces. This control surfaces was classified into two types. One is primary, another one is secondary. Primary control surfaces is ailerons, rudders and elevator. These are the primary control surfaces. Remaining we are having a secondary control surfaces, flaps and spoilers, slats. These and all comes under secondary control surfaces. Sorry, here we are not able to see that. And two more components is vertical stabilizer and horizontal stabilizer. These are the basic components is there in your aircraft. Sorry, our aircrafts. Okay, so these are the very important. You guys can see in further videos how we will design this parts. Okay, and next, if you come to next, okay, here you can see parts of the aircraft. Wings. Okay, wings is used to produce a lift to aircraft. Okay, and fuselage, it is a main body which all parts are connected. Okay, these all parts are connected to the fuselage. Third one is tail. It provides the stability in longitudinal, pitch, and directional yaw. Okay, during the flight. So this is the mainly use of the tail. Okay, tail will provide the stability to the aircraft. And fourth one is landing gear. Landing gears is the undercarriage of the aircraft or spacecraft that is used for taxiing and takeoff or landing. We know this. And control surfaces. These are two type of control surface, primary and secondary. We have already seen. Okay. Here you can see next part is engine. These are the main some parts attached to the fuselage. Okay, wings, tail, landing gear, control surface. Okay, control surface will attach to the wings, and wings is attached to the fuselage, and engine also will attach to the fuselage. These are the main components for the aircraft.